Hello, lovely people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, yeah, we are in action. We wanna go swimming, and we are in mode of swimming. Everyone is ready. So, guys, welcome to F2S and Travel. So, as you see, guys, it's 5 p.m. Yeah, we are here going to swimming. Hope you guys will come and join us. So here's the beach. The security are like saying it's too late, don't swim, come over the swim, do not go in the swim. But no, we said no, we want to go, we have to go. Hey, we had to wait until when Solat Maghrib came. Everything comes down. So they were saying people asking people to go out the water, but good enough they go, and those who remains will really enjoy it. So it was almost it's the winter, so it come dark faster, so we have to take swimming in a dark. But oh guys, please, I'm not advising you to swim at night, otherwise it won't be good. Alright guys, but yeah, when it comes 7 p.m. no, it was actually wasn't 7, it's winter season. At 6, yeah, at 6 almost it's dark and the light were on, but we stayed in the water, we swim, we enjoy the night. People are still there, people can't leave the beach. We left it when there are so many people. So I'm here. This was my friend Amoise. So Afra, she was with me and we enjoyed so much. And you guys, beach at night is so good. Yeah, it's like we enjoy, you can enjoy, but it's better when you move with someone. But don't move alone and go to the beach. People in the beach everyone is doing his own, kids are playing. Yeah, the day was so far so good. We enjoyed so much, and I can't explain more, but just know that we enjoyed a lot, guys. So hope I see you there next time, because we really take a lot of time there at Jumeirah Beach. This is the real JBR Beach, Jumeirah Beach residence. You see those old hotels people are in, they come here to eat their money, they come here to enjoy life. So as you see, the sunset was already set, was already gone, and the weather was so nice. Like, it was so nice. Outside was nice by that time, and people were like relaxing. People, they go there to relax, to enjoy. So if you have time, please make sure you go there and enjoy your free time. So right guys, let me leave you when you're enjoying the video. Hope I see you there next time, and let me leave you with this beautiful music to take you through. But Jumeirah Beach is so amazing. Mind you guys, this beach, you can use metro and you go directly. If you're coming from Center Point, you can come via DMCC and you stop, you take exit 2 and you walk. You don't take a taxi or what, you can walk 10 minutes, you'll be there. Or you can stop by Shoba and you take a tram. But to anyone, I'm advising you to come via DMCC and go to Blue Bridge. So like guys, this was the beach, and by that time everyone was so enjoying, and the water was a little bit cool, a little bit warm. So but we enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me leave you with this beautiful music. This is F Tours and Travel, and I am Fatma. So right guys, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you've liked Jamaica Beach, and I hope to see you there next time. So we hopefully be there like every Sunday. We go there and we enjoy. Yeah, you know, when you go to the beach you relax, the mind, you take away all the minds and you get free, you feel free. So guys, be there. If you're there, you want to join me, just say hey, I want to join you, and we shall go there.